Hi, and welcome to Todd's Tantalizing Tips. You may have noticed this little emoji sitting on my hat. Kind of leads us into what today's episode is all about. Today, thanks to my daughter, who once said I was mildly amusing in a car, we decided to make a little math problem of how many turds it takes to go around the Earth's equator. So, if you are a regular viewer of this channel, please drop a like, ooze out a comment, or push that subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated. So without further ado, let's squeeze this thing out.
Hey, we're going to need a little bit of information to do our math problem. So first, according to the National Geographic Society, the equator is 24,900 miles long. And according to the PRB, which is the Population Reference Bureau, our global planet population is 7.8 billion. Now that's a lot of people. We are also going to need the ATS, average turd size. According to the WTIW, World Turd Institute of the World, the average turd is 1 inch by 4 inches. Now I know they come in a lot of different sizes, like the small bead, the tiny stiff stander, the semi-solid loaf, super soft and squishy cow pie, and what they call a "what did I eat" pile. But for our purposes, we're going to use the pliable Play-Doh tube turd so it will hold shape and allow us to build things. We also need to figure out the turds per mile, which we'll have to convert feet into inches. So we take 1 mile, 5,280 feet, times 12 equals 63,360 inches, divided by 4 equals 15,840 TPM, turds per mile. We then need to configure TPR, turds per ring. To get turds per ring, we need to multiply the TPM times the equator, which gives us a whopping 394,431,840 turds. So here's an example of what that might look like. Now we can figure TRPD, turd rings per day, with the equation TPD divided by TPR equals TRPD, which is a whopping 19.775 per day. We can also figure TRPYs, which are terpies, turd rings per year. To do this, we need TRPD times the number of days in the year, which equals a whopping 7,217.977 terpies per year. Bonus! TTTM, Turd Tower to Mars. For this, we will need some more information. 59 million miles to Mars, according to the National Geographic Society, times TPM equals 934,560,000,000 turds to reach Mars. That's a lot of trips to the throne. Now, if we take that number divided by TPD equals 119.815 days to reach Mars. What's going on, NASA? Of all people on this planet, you should know how to launch one. Mars is going to attack now. Look out.
So please leave a comment down below. I'd like to see how many people will weigh themselves before and then weigh themselves after that daily fun. Thanks for your input or output.